I will show you how to use DeepSeek, an open source LLM model. It is just similar to ChatGPT, and creating an account is very easy. In Google, you just have to type DeepSeek and you will see its official website here, deepseek.com. Click on this. Now, when you come here, you have two options: start now and get DeepSeek app. Now, I'm going to click on this start now. Now here it will ask you to log in, but if you're a new user, so I will show you how to create an account using your Gmail ID. So you have to click here, log in with Google. Now here you have to choose your Gmail account and I will select this account. Then you have to click here on continue to allow sign in to chat.deepseek.com. And that's it. It is ready to use. Just like ChatGPT, you can write your questions here and you will get the answers. For example, I will just write here, what is the difference between OpenAI ChatGPT versus DeepSeek? I paused the video and tried 3 times, but I am getting the same message: the server is busy, please try again later. The reason is that because so many people are now doing the sign up and trying to use it. If you remember, we faced a similar problem when ChatGPT was launched because so many people started using it at the same time. So if you are also getting the same message, then please don't worry. Just do the sign up and you can try once there is a less load on the server, you will start getting the response. It is similar to ChatGPT. You have to write your query here. You can ask any question, any programming question, your Python, Java, or anything, and you will get a similar response like ChatGPT, maybe even better result and even faster when the server will be up again. So this is how you can use DeepSeek. It is very easy to use and an open source LLM model. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.